Hello, my name is Courtney Snell, and I wanted to take a little bit of time and tell you about my experience in reading the Universal Model. If you were like me when you were young, I went to science classes that I was really excited about in junior high and high school and in college, and they were a lot of fun. I learned a lot, but I found over time that I was actually getting more questions from my teachers and my textbooks than what I was getting answers. And so I was really excited when the opportunity came along to read the Universal Model. I learned a lot of new things about things that I had struggled with before, like, for instance, the Grand Canyon. If you've ever been there, you know how big it is. It's huge. And in my science classes, my teachers would tell me about how it was formed through things like uniformitarianism, which is tells you that the same forces that are happening today happened millions of years ago, and they've been happening all along, like wind and rain and so on, and that's in part what started the Grand Canyon. And other factors like uplift and subduction that cause parts of it to go up and down and so on. But I was left with questions like, for instance, how is it that subduction and uplift would cause the north side of the canyon to be 1,200 feet higher than the south side of the canyon? So when I got the opportunity to read the Earth system in the Universal Model, I was really excited. I went through multiple chapters in that Earth system, and I learned some really interesting things. I learned about the water and the pressure and the earthquakes and all those things that have more to do with formation of things like the Grand Canyon. And by the way, earthquakes aren't the same as what they tell us they are in terms of how they're caused. So in reading that, I learned a lot about the Grand Canyon, and it was really exciting because I got my answers to my questions that I had always had. And what I enjoyed the most was one day I got the opportunity to fly over the Grand Canyon, and it was really exciting because I could look out that window and look down at the whole Grand Canyon below me, and I could, in my mind, actually visualize the forces that were involved in creating that canyon. It was amazing, really exciting. That's the kind of thing that I'm excited for you as well, because as you read the Universal Model, there will be all sorts of things like that that will change for you. Your paradigm about science and your understanding of the Earth and its beauty will change forever. I'm excited for you.